Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload any new video. Guys, keep to without further ado, let us jump straight into the tutorial and YouTube channel. This is your boy Dynasty Teto Shuraleff. Actually, today we are going to be looking at creating a restore point. Restore point is actually a point where when your computer is actually flexible, you find out that the computer is moving smoothly, you can create a restore point. The computer remember that point at which your computer is moving faster. The day it turned doing something else funny, it became sticky, that's the time you can back to your restore point. When you back to your restore point, trust me, everything go back to the way your restore point kept it, and it become more faster. That is just a short and one way. I hope that can make you understand restore. Other than that, check in the description, you will see more about restore point. Thank you very much. Okay, now let's jump into the tutorial. This is Windows 7. To create a restore point, first they want to get to the start button, come to all program, accessories. After clicking on accessories, you come to system tools. After clicking on system tools, you come to system restore. System restore open. You come here to system protection. Now you have this system protection. On the system protection, you have computer names. You can rename your computer here. You can see the hardware, advanced sharing, system protection, and remote, all of the remote devices. So now system protection, we come to creating a restore point. So now I can name my restore point. I'm going to rename my restore point as FA fast time. Okay, good. My restore point is called fast time. So click create. You're going to wait for the restore point to create. When the restore point has created, you're going to see that the restore point will be made. This is how you create restore point. Whenever your computer starts to ask ticket or start to be funny, you can easily go. The restore point was created successfully. So I'm going to close this. So now, if I want to restore, I can easily go to system restore, right? Good. So now to configure the restore point, you can configure a restore point here. Is a restore point system setting. Is a previous version of file. One restore previous version of file. Turn off system protection. So now, there is your restore point. You have created already. You can create 4, 5, 6 restore point. Now only one. And when you want to restore it, you come now and restore it here, system restore. So now you see, click next. So now there's fast time. You see here, the restore point that I created, this is it. So all I need to do is just to click on it and come to next and click on finish. And definitely they're going to restore it, but I'm not restoring it now because restore point at time can restart your machine, and I don't want to restart my machine. So all you do is that you click on yes, it's going to restart your computer, and your computer is going to be restored. This is how you do it. Thank you very much for watching. This is your own boy Dynasty Teto Shuraleff. Hope you guys see the tutorial useful, and if you guys have any comment, do not hesitate to drop the comment. I'm going to look at your comment and will reply you based on your comment. Do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Do not forget to like, share the video with your friends, and also do not forget to hit the notification icon so that you can be notified whenever I drop any video. Thank you very much and have a blessed time.